Today I'm speaking on the part one of the Core 4 supplement plan that we put together. These are the 4 supplements you have to have, in our opinion, to be optimally healthy. Multivitamins, number 1. We all know that there's probably 500 brands, and it's, totally confusing to most people. One of the top brands ever made in the world that I have been fondly in love with now is Mount Angel Vitamins. And the reason is because they have ethics that are as high as you get. The integrity, the raw materials they source. There's an herb called ashwagandha, which we did a Facebook post on a few months ago. Absolutely phenomenal for managing stress in your life. And they use a brand called KSM 66. What we're talking about here is they are sourcing the highest level possible in the world. That is not true of the majority of nutritional products. And so a multivitamin like this, Mount Angel, has Q10 in it. It has the kind of folates that we absolutely preach that you should have, not folic acid, which we absolutely say is unhealthy for some people. So when you're ready to put the Core 4 program together, the multivitamins one, Mount Angel, you cannot beat it.